Meta employees are fighting back against Zuckerberg's plan to train AIs using their work data. This week, Meta laid off 8,000 employees, which is very, very sad, but they had the audacity to also announce they're now going to add surveillance to every single employee, tracking their mouse clicks, tracking their keystrokes, in order to train AIs to essentially replace human jobs. Here's a look at the flyer that's going around internally in all the Meta offices.
I sure hope I don't get my data extracted for AI training today.
Employee data extraction for AI training factory.
Sign this petition now. Actually, let's take a look at this petition. I'm curious to see what it looks like. mcipetition.com. All right, let's read this petition. Dear Mark and Meta leadership, we demand that you not collect employee computer use data for the purposes of training AI models. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of people who signed it. 1,500 people signed this petition already. And it has the names of everyone working at Meta and their positions at the company. Okay, that's quite a decent amount of people. I was expecting less because like literally you're putting your name here. You're gonna be ousted as someone who is against this AI training. Let's read into this and see what we can learn. Recently, leadership announced in a limited audience group that a program called MCI, Model Capability Initiative, would be rolling out. For context, this program collects computer inputs such as mouse movements, click locations, and keystrokes, as well as screen content, evidenced by the selective opt-out afforded to executives. Wow, so executives can actually opt out of this, but normal employees can't. That's crazy. Secretly, I think it's because executives know technically their jobs can also be replaced by AI. By allowing them to opt out of this, you can't prove that AI can actually replace these executive jobs. So that's so crazy. It should not be the norm that companies of any size are permitted to exploit their employees by non-consensually extracting their data for the purposes of AI training. AI meant to serve and empower people cannot do so while disregarding or disrespecting the consent of people it claims to serve. Wow. I'm so glad someone has the courage to speak out against this. Like, it just feels so dystopian. In the past, companies would reward you for doing great work, but nowadays, doing great work means you're just digging yourself into a bigger hole and your layoff grave is gonna come sooner than ever. If I was a Meta employee right now, I wouldn't work as hard. This news just makes me feel like, why work hard if all that work is gonna be used to train AI that's gonna replace me? It would just completely disincentivize me from being a high performer. I believe Meta will have to respond to this petition in some way, because if they don't, it's just gonna create really low worker morale. What would you do in this situation if you're a Meta employee? Would you sign the petition? Would you revolt against Zuckerberg's plan? Let me know in the comments down below.